Layer Types Exercise. Welcome to this exercise where we'll put everything we've learned so far to the test. Before you open this PSD that's attached to the course, download a particular font, otherwise Photoshop will return an error. You need to do the following. Go to Google Fonts. They recently launched a new version, but the steps are pretty much the same. Locate the search field and type in Quicksand. That's the name of the font. Now hit this small plus symbol. Now you'll have this small notification show up. Click on it to reveal the download button. Unfortunately, it doesn't say download on it, but it's this downward pointing arrow. This will give you an archive. Extract it and put the two files into your fonts folder. For me, that's C/Windows/fonts. You simply copy-paste it and you're done. Now open the PSD. This is our initial project file and you have several tasks. 1. You have trees on the left and on the right side of the road. Arrange them in such a way where smart objects are on one side and raster layers are on the other side. If possible, have a good stacking order from the front to the back. Make it look nice. 2. Identify all shape layers and rasterize them. 3. Create two groups, one for trees that are smart objects, one for rasterized trees. Apply one adjustment filter for each group. 4. Identify all text layers and put them into one folder. 5. Make the handlebar and the hands black and white. So just the bike part, nothing else, not the trees, the road, the sky, etc. My instructions are locked in the Layers panel. You won't be able to move them, so these layers are not a part of the exercise. In the next video, I'll show you how I approach these tasks, but please take a few minutes to solve the exercise on your own. It really doesn't make sense for you not to work along. Get the full experience and get to it. Remember to have fun. Working under a load of stress doesn't make sense. Good luck.